Hey people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because MelodySusie was kind enough to send me over, I guess you could call it one of their like mystery boxes, but they call it the Your Nail Box. This is a monthly subscription that I think that they are now doing, where they send you nail goodies every month if you subscribe to their subscription. So let's go ahead and hop into October's unboxing, and let's see what goodies they included for this month, okay? Oh, so before I open it all the way up, I think the box is really cute. Y'all know I'm a really big fan of like this dusty pink or dusty rose blush color. It's cute. They have all these different like nail tools, dust brushes, cuticle pushers, etc. on here, drill bit thingies. So yeah, I just thought this was really cool. And then on the back here, it has all of their information. So let's go ahead and hop right on into what they included. Oh, this is cute. So when you open it up, you can see they have a cute little message at the top. It says, "Open your new nail art journey." That's really cute. And so let's see, I'll open it like this. That way we'll have a better view here. Alright, so they got cute little, what is this called? I don't know what it's called, but they got this in here to help make it look all cute and such. Okay, cool. So the first thing you get here is some rhinestones. Okay, so it seems like they have it's their like nail art box maybe. So let's see. Y'all know me, I love me some blinktivity. Alrighty, so this is the first thing of rhinestones they included. Okay, so this is a nice little mixture, and these are some really pretty rhinestones. These are like that pink that has like a yellow shift to it. I actually have a design where I applied some rhinestones with this kind of color shift. I'll go ahead and leave a picture of it so that y'all can see what they look like. But yeah, I really had a lot of fun working with rhinestones that look this color. It's kind of like a chameleon shift. They also included these, which is, ooh, these are pretty. I don't think I have anything like this. This is kind of like a midnight blue with different shifts of like orange and yellow. Also look like there's some gray rhinestones in there. This is really perfect, just in time for Halloween actually. So I got this. Ooh, good. They also included a nail clipper. I actually in need of one of these. For some reason, I lost my white one that adjusts and can catch the nail clippings when you clip them off. I don't know what I did with that thing, but that's what I'm in need of. And so I'm happy that they sent this as well because, yeah, I need one. I lost my other one. Let's see. They also included some nail art brushes. You all can never have enough nail art brushes. Looks like they have a gel brush in here, an angled brush, an acrylic brush, a fan brush, two liner brushes, and another gel brush. And this one's probably really good for poly gel and gel application. So you can never have too many nail art brushes. They also included some dotting tools, which is awesome. It's 5 dotting tools. These are super cute. I like the little tiny little pearls that's on the inside of it. And with these, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it looks like on one end, all of the dots are the same. And then on the other end, they come in like the different sizes or whatnot. So again, never can have enough nail art tools. They also included, okay, it looks like some nail files here. So let's open these up and see. Okay, well that's nice. They have a whole box of nail files. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is your 100 to 180 grit nail files. So this is like a really good box for like, I guess like replenishing nail supplies that you may need. And so it looks like it comes with about 10 of these nail files in here. So that's pretty cool. Again, loving the packaging. And then it looks like the last item they included here are some acrylic nail tips. Okay. So yeah, that's everything inside this box here. So yeah, it looks like they included some acrylic nail tips. So let's open this up and see. Okay, so it does also come with a 180, 100 nail file. And then these are the tips. These are pretty cool. These look like the long coffin with a C curve, and so these are some pretty long nails, if I do say so myself. But they look like they are the extra long nail tips. They seem of decent quality, so that's pretty cool that they included these as well. So yeah, this is the MelodySusie Your Nail box. Looks like it came with a nice variety of little goodies here. Alrighty, so this is everything that was included in the MelodySusie Your Nail box. This box is really good for, it seems like if you want to replenish your nail supplies. So like I said, I misplaced my nail clipper. You can never have enough nail art brushes. It comes with nail files, a little bit of bling for nail art, and then these tips here if you want to do some acrylic nails. So it's a good replenishing box is how I would describe it. I'm not exactly sure what the cost of it is, but I am going to leave links to it down in the description box below. On MelodySusie's website, I do also have a discount code, so I'll leave that here on the screen as well as in the description box below as well. And another special thanks to MelodySusie for sending these products over for review. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!